Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how you can help your child to color in an object properly. Make an object with a black marker like this. The object should not be too big or too small. If the object is too small, the child will not be able to move his hand freely. And if the object is too big, he will get tired of doing coloring. So make sure that the size of the object is just apt. Once we have made the object, we have to use these oil pastels. Make sure that the child holds the color properly, not like this, not like this. The child has to hold it like this between the thumb and the index finger. Firstly, the first step is just that the child needs to color the boundary of the object. A kind of outlining. Let him learn to rotate the paper or the copy like this. This is the first step of coloring any object that is given to the child. Now once like this the outline is done, the child should do coloring in between the object from left to right motion. Always left to right. They know how to scribble, but it's time for them to learn proper coloring. They should not color in all motions, always in left to right. This will give a very neat look to the coloring. Side by side, they have to fill on all the white spaces that are coming in between. They don't have to press too hard or too light while they color. See? Left to right is the main thing that one needs to follow while coloring any kind of object. Make sure that the color does not go out of the black line. Once the coloring is done, do applaud your child for it. Thank you.